See, now that was simple. Now, this is the test, so we want to find out if it passed. We can use any one of the test methods from the JUnit assert static class. To start out, we will use assert equals to check if the right number of dead have been found in our test. Now we can run the test by right-clicking in the code area and selecting Run. The test will run, and you can see here that the test passed. If you want some feedback that you're more familiar with, you can add a print statement and print out a list of zombies. Also, you can create tests that cover various boundary conditions and make sure the zombie list is working the way you expect. The nice part about this is that you can create a test suite checking any number of classes, methods, and conditions without having to set up much of anything. You just copy and paste and change a few lines. Also, you can test a section of code in isolation from the rest of the code. Because we are using an interface rather than a hard-coded object, we can use the connector definition, the Java interface, to test the components that will eventually use that class in operation. Like JUnit, this testing method will flag an error and tell you what caused the test failure. Also, you can run a whole suite of tests by clicking on the test object name and running the test. But the best part is that the test is a packaged unit. While setting up a stub might require a separate or complex stub class for each test and management of a large number of interrelations, Mockito packages everything it needs into a single test and therefore removes a lot of the complexity of test suite management. I hope this tutorial has served as a good introduction to Mockito, how it is different from, and how it interrelates with JUnit testing.